Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing your device and environment. Enable Wi-Fi via Quick Settings or Settings Network. Why now? Because an active radio and current OS reduce connection errors. Once Wi-Fi is on, scan for the SSID you expect. If you don't see it, move closer to the router and retry. Make sure you have the network name and password ready to enter. This avoids repeated timeouts and locked authentication attempts when you start the actual connection. Now you join and configure the network. Tap the SSID, confirm the security type, WPA2/WPA3, and enter the password carefully so you avoid rejected keys. Once connected, Android negotiates DHCP. Keep that unless you need a static IP for a printer or port forwarding. If speed matters, prefer 5 GHz. If range matters, pick 4 GHz. Make sure to enable Auto Connect for trusted networks, and review permissions for apps that will use the network to protect privacy and battery life. Finish by confirming actual internet access. Open a web page or use a simple network test app to ensure DNS and routing work. If you can't connect, forget the network and rejoin to clear cached credentials. That fixes many authentication and IP conflicts. If problems persist, restart your phone and router in that order. This refreshes DHCP leases and clears transient radio issues. One key troubleshooting tip: switch Wi-Fi off and on to reset the adapter before more invasive steps. That often solves stubborn dropouts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.